How to enable speed limit warning in Google Maps. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can enable speedometer or the speed limit warning in Google Maps. Now if you're wondering on how you can view the speed limit for a particular road you're traveling on, or if you want to view the speed limit for the particular road you are on Google Maps, then here's how you can do it. You can simply open up your Google Maps and you should get an interface like this, right? You want to tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen, and here you want to tap on settings. Once on settings, you want to scroll down and you want to look in for the option that says navigation or the option that says navigation settings. You want to simply tap on it. In my case, it's navigation settings, and you want to scroll down. Here, if you scroll down, you'll get the option speedometer. You can see you want to simply make sure it's enabled. So this is the way. Once you enable this, you'll be able to see the speed limit warning. So this way you can enable speed limit warning in Google Maps. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.